How's it going here at Nomad Mobile Repair? Today we were working on two vehicles. We've got a Chevrolet Express. We've got a Ford Econoline that doesn't start. From that, we're looking like it's going to be the fuel pump, most likely, is what we're seeing. We tried to force the fuel pump on, couldn't get anything to happen, so we are going to have to drop the tank, but at the same time, for dropping the tank, we're going to have a fuel pump on hand so that we can get that taken care of. But the vehicle that we're currently looking at is a 2003 Chevrolet Venture, and this vehicle is a no crank, no start. The customer would replace the alternator, and after they replaced the alternator, they had noticed that there was some wires that had rubbed against the water pump, and they thought that, maybe just that wire was broken, and the wire wasn't broken, but we traced that wire, and that ended up going to the starter relay, and that wire feeds directly from the instrument panel fuse box into the ABS module, and it just blew a fuse. It was not that complicated of a problem. It was a pain to find the wiring diagram to find where everything went, but once we found the wiring diagram, it took just a few minutes to get this fixed and solved. Overall, looking up top, nothing too crazy. Now that we got the engine started, there's no noises that make me concerned. The tires look good all the way around. I come down and look at the brakes. The brakes also look pretty decent. The suspension's, not leaking on the front, but those boots are pretty tore up. That one looks a lot better. Overall, not too bad. Thanks so much for joining us.